it's Don here from JHR410. So today we're going to be unboxing our very own Taroma portable power station with a maximum power output of 500 watts. So this is our 500 watts power station. So we're just going to show you what to expect in the box after the purchase. So it's a manual of how to use it and how to deal with faults. It's your AC adapter for charging with your electricity grid. It's your 3-point plug that plugs to the AC adapter. And this is your car charging cable that plugs to the power station. All those cables are strictly for charging the power station. Alright, so this power station is actually ideal for outdoor and indoor use. It runs on a lithium battery of 135,000 mAh battery. I'm just gonna put this here quick. Alright, so talking about this guy, and this guy's weight is actually light. It's actually just 6 kgs maximum. Right? So when it comes to its battery, it's lithium battery, and it actually comes with a battery temperature control. Actually, it has fans inside. So in case of any overheating, like using it over time and it gets heated, so the fan actually kicks in. That's how it controls the fan's the battery temperature inside. Right. So this power station has an LCD display. Just gonna switch it on. It has an LCD display where you can actually show your battery percentage and your wattage usage, like how much current you'll be actually using at the point, or how much current you're actually putting in when you're charging it. So it shows you an in and out wattage that you're going to be using at a certain time, and also the battery percentage, so you can know which battery percentage is on at the certain time. Right, so it also has a built-in handle. It has a 12-volt car marine port. Right, so you can use that for any automotive or any appliances of yours that can use a car charging port, just to maximize your backup power experience. And this side we have our light, so we can use this for any dark spaces, or during load shedding you can keep this light on. It also has 3 modes, so that's for just SOS, and that's for emergency purposes. Right, so coming back this side, so here we have 2 AC sockets for 3-point plugs. So you can put in your extension cord, or you can put in your twin plug that will be running maybe your workstation or anything that maybe for camping outdoors or stuff like that. But it uses a 3-pin plug, they say. So we also have 2 DC ports, so you can use this for your automotive accessories like your car fridges and your car gadgets. You can use the DC ones. And then we have 2 Type-C plugs, so this is where you can plug in your cables for your gadgets, for like your phones, for your laptops, anything that uses a Type-C port. And we also have 4 USB ports. That's the usual one. You can just plug in anything that uses a USB port. So these are outputs. This is what you're actually going to be plugging in to get power to your appliances or gadgets or whatever that you'll be plugging on into it. But do remember, it doesn't supply anything that's actually above 500 watts or even 480 watts and above. It will just actually switch off, because it also comes with a fuse protection for in case of any overloading. It'll just okay. Right, so now we're going to be getting to your frequently asked questions. So the first one is, how long does it last? It lasts up to 8 hours, but between 6 and 8 hours depending on the wattage that you're going to be using at that certain time. Because if you're running more appliances on it and it's putting out much power than you'll be actually putting in, then it's going to last a minimum of 5 to 6 hours. But if you're running it on stuff that doesn't actually take so much power out of it, then you can get your maximum of 8 hours out of it. Then The second one is how long does it take to charge? A maximum of 6 hours. Without interruptions, it's a full charge. You're going to be getting your whole 100%. Then it's ready to go. You can use it however you want. The third one is ways to charge it. Well, like I said, first one, we have our car charger here. You can charge it in your car. Second one, you can just charge it at your house with your 3-point plug, electricity grid, or your solar grid. The third one is you can get a specific solar panel, a 100-watt solar panel for it, just to charge it. So you can charge it via solar, via electricity grid at home, via your car, right? So the fourth one is what appliances can it run? Well, that's basically what everyone asks about. So remember, this is a 500-watt power station. So any product that requires more than that, it won't actually run it because it's already an overload. So I would say non-element appliances. It doesn't run appliances that have any heating element or any heat in them. It won't run them. So the good part about it is that it also has a fuse protection in it. So if you're actually overloading it, it will just switch off and go into protection mode to prevent any damage to it, which that's a good feature, right? So what appliances can it run? Example, I'll say your fan, since it's hot and all that. You can run your fan, you can run your TV, you can run your fridge, you can run your Wi-Fi, you can run your plug-in lamps, you can run your phone, your laptops, and etc. As long as it's not a heated or an element product that you're gonna be running on this. So just anything that doesn't require more than 480 watts, then it'll run it for you. And as long as it doesn't have an element, it'll run it for you. So people use it for camping, outdoors camping, charging your phones and all that, the appliances that I just named. Others also use it for their workstation as a backup plan. For people that work from home and all that, they can run their workstation. You can run your printer, you can run your monitor, your laptop, your phone, your Wi-Fi. You can still be connected. No load shedding interruptions for you. So the fifth one is where can you actually get this? So as you can see, it's branded. This is our brand when it comes to our appliances. It's Taroma, but you can just simply get it at www.afrishopsa.co.za, and you can also check our range on our website. Whatever you like, you can order. We can definitely create to you as soon as you've done purchasing, as soon as you've done processing your order. Other than that, that's it for our guy here. Taroma portable power station, 500 watts. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers.